Hi friends, welcome once again. In this session we're going to discuss regarding point option in Catia sketcher. In order to invoke this command, just hold the mouse on top of it. You can observe here the option is point by clicking. Just press the left mouse button on this either once, or you can double click on this if you want to generate the multiple points. We will see the difference here. Here I'm going to click on this only once. You can observe here. So the color got changed. Only once I can execute this command. If I want to execute this command, create multiple points, it's not possible. So if you want to generate multiple points, double click on this. You can create as many points as possible. So that is the difference between single click and then double click. Select this and then delete it. You can just invoke this command. You can observe here it is asking for the coordinates. In this way also you can do it. So I'm going to enter the coordinates, press a tab button and then enter the coordinate. Y coordinate. H refers to horizontal, B refers to vertical coordinate. Okay, I am placing the coordinate here. You can observe here it comes along with the dimension. In the earlier case, if I manually click on this, you are not going to get the dimension. So always you have to check whether it is under constraint or ISO constraint. This has to be ISO constraint always. Sketch has to be ISO constraint. What is constraining? Constraining is nothing but the constraining degrees of freedom, so that all translation as well as rotation can be frozen. So that is the thing. And coming to the second option, here it will ask for the coordinates. It will not allow you to directly click on the screen. Here it is asking for the Cartesian coordinate as well as polar coordinate. Either you can select Cartesian or polar method. In Cartesian method, I am going to enter the value as 500 and 500. Then say OK. You can see here it comes along with the dimension. This is also ISO constraint. The sketch analysis, you can go here. Sketch solving status, you can observe here. So sketch solving status is ISO constraint. That means nothing is under constraint, nothing is over constraint. So the concept of under constraining, over constraining we will discuss in the later on stage. But these entities must be green in color. So once it converts into green color, this is ISO constraint. In the sketcher, you should ensure that the entities are ISO constraint. Coming to the other option, that is polar option. So here you have to mention the radius as well as the angle. Angle is with reference to the horizontal line, that is in the anti-clockwise direction. You can observe here 45 degree is drawn in the anti-clockwise direction with reference to the positive x-axis, that is horizontal. You can observe here this point is also constrained. I'm going to delete all these things. Okay, I'm going to use the other option here, equidistant points. For that you need to have a line. I'm going to draw one line, horizontal line as per my requirement. You can see here if you want to provide the distance, you can provide the distance as per the requirement. Okay, here I have a line. Okay, you want to split it into some entities, select equidistant points and then select this particular line. It will ask for the number of points. You can just provide the number of points as per the requirement. Either you can provide 10 or 20, as many number of divisions as possible. Like, so this is specifically mentioning the number of points. You can observe here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 points are created here. If you want to reverse, you can reverse it. Okay, but I don't want it like that. Just say OK. You can create points here, but these may not be constrained. You can observe here, go to this, because I have not defined the x coordinate as well as the y coordinate for this. Only the location with reference to the other point is defined. In order to constrain this particular thing, what you can do is you can just provide the coordinates for the single point. Automatically the other will get constrained. You can see here. You can provide the length for this line also. Okay, go to sketch analysis and see here all are ISO constrained. This is how you can constrain this particular thing. Coming to the next option, so that is intersection. So in order to have this, you should have two different entities which are intersecting with each other. Either it is circular entity, arc, or a linear entity like a line. So you have to select this thing, invoke the command and then select two different entities which are intersecting with each other. At the intersection point, a point is generated. You can observe here there's a O kind of symbol that indicates that is coinciding with the intersection point. Here also I have not defined the coordinates. You want to constrain it, you can define the coordinates for this particular thing. And then projection point, already there must be a point for this. Okay, I would like to project it on some other geometrical entity. What I can do is I can select this particular entity. Okay, select this entity and try to project on some other entity. You can observe here at 90 degree it got projected. There's a tangent here and then it got projected at 90 degree. I have selected this and then it got projected. So that's all for today. Thank you friends. Thank you for your valuable time and then patience. Keep subscribing and then keep watching the video. Thank you.